How to fix Windows Media Creation Tool error code. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Windows, and here you have to type the regedit. Now once you're in, you have to go on the HK local machine, and after that click on the software. Now once you are in, here you have to go on the Microsoft. After that you have to scroll down and go on the Windows. Now in the Windows you have to scroll down and go on the Windows update. Here you have to click on this blank page and go on the D word, and here you have to add a new value. Now here you have to double tap on it and change its value data from 0 to 1. After that, save the changes and click on the OK. So once you save the changes, you have to go back, and here you have to search for the MS configuration or the system configuration. Here you have to click on your services, and here you have to make sure that the check mark of the hide all Microsoft services is unchecked, and after that click on the OK. And after this you have to restart your computer. This is help you to fix Windows Media Creation error tool.